Imagine this. Scooby-Doo and the gang solve the mystery, but then they forget to check in with the client afterward. What? That's like leaving the mission incomplete, and that's a big problem when it comes to post-sale check-ins. After the sale, the real work begins. This is where you build long-lasting relationships, solve any issues, and make sure your customers are satisfied and ready for more. Reps missing post-sale check-ins is like leaving your customer in the dark, and that could cost you. But don't worry, here's the solution: automate it. With tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and moksy.ai, you can set up automated reminders and personalized follow-up pages that ensure your reps never forget to follow up. Moksy.ai helps you create dynamic check-in pages, track customer satisfaction, and automate follow-up emails, all while making it feel personal and engaging.